Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Lelia Oktafiani from offering A of Biology Education 2018. In this video, I will explain to you about an article which is the title is Circumcision Stop HIV. So first, the article tells us that circumcision is preventing tens of thousands of cases of HIV infection. A new study from Zimbabwe has confirmed this week. In 2007, trial first began to show that the men who had been circumcised have less likely to contract with HIV compared to the uncircumcised individual. So the rate up to 80% lower in the individual that had their foreskins removed. So how does the circumcision can stop HIV? So when in the penis there are cells called the Langer cell. This Langer cell is located under the foreskin. So when they not circumcised, the Langer cell can just only kill bacteria that try to attack the penis or attack the body. But when the foreskin is removed, the Langer cell can attack the virus, and one of the virus is HIV. So they can prevent the HIV to come into our body. So the circumcision is regarded as a form of surgical vaccine to stop the HIV. And after the result in 2007, the scientists, government, a national foundation, and health foundation make a program that internationally funded that aiming to increase the rates of circumcision. So the result of this program is by 2015 to at least 80% men living in 14 countries had been circumcised. The 14 countries is the area that traditionally low level of circumcision previously and a high prevalence of HIV infection. And one of the 14 countries is Zimbabwe, where in Zimbabwe in the 1990s about 1/3 of the population in Zimbabwe was HIV infected. But today, after the circumcision, it is about 14%. So to establish the impact, if any, of circumcision within community in Zimbabwe, Imperial College scientist Jessica McGillen and her colleagues was constructed mathematical models which they have calibrated using household survey data on prevalent and risk behaviors, as well as circumcision coverage data. Overall, more than 1 million men have undergone circumcision in the country, preventing. So the co-author John Stever suggests in the region 80,000 cases of HIV so far. This number, he predicts, will scale to over 500,000 cases of HIV prevented over the next 15 years, since many participants in the voluntary medical male circumcision program. But the uptake of circumcision and the result of the program was actually lower than they expect. So the impact is that to reach the target to reach the 80% target has been pushed back to 2021. But Stoffer explained if 80% until 90% male population can be accessed by the program, the benefits will be huge. And there is also added return. The cost of the program is offset by the money saved on antiretroviral drugs. So, their new strategy to increase the circumcision is they targeting the teenager and the men in their early 20s to get circumcision, and they also target the newborns to get circumcision. But this was debated at the moment because when the babies get circumcision, the bleeding will be so much and it's hard to stop. So this is some people may said that it hurt the baby, it's not good to baby. But beside that, circumcision is simpler and cheaper with fewer side effects when done in the national period. And so the system to circumcision just the more effective until now if just targeted to the older age of groups, and to switch targets might undermine the success of initiative. So the impact of HIV means that studies like the present one are important in determining whether policies like voluntary medical male circumcision are effective, and therefore whether the funding is being well invested. Overall, the importance of anti-AIDS intervention cannot be overstated. Every day, thousands of people die from an HIV virus because the HIV infection, and the people that get infected by HIV virus increase every day. Alongside education and safe-sex message, and until the effective vaccine to cure the AIDS, circumcision remains the most effective way to prevent the HIV until now. So the HIV now is the most effective way to combat the HIV to human. So that's all from me. Thank you for your attention. I'm so sorry if any mistake in my video. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.